It's a quick video on replacing your Honda CR-V dome light here. You can do two jobs here. You can replace the bulbs. There's one behind this lens here, or you can, sometimes this assembly gets broken, the sunglass holder, and I'll show you how to pull this out of the headliner here. So you're just gonna pry out at each spot. This is already kind of damaged, so I won't be taking this one. And you'll see that there are two light bulbs right here, as well as two mounting screws. And then there's also two mounting screws hidden up underneath the sunglass holder here. And these are a Phillips head. And if you need to replace the bulbs, you can just pull them down here at this point. You don't need to take the whole dome light out for that. Pull that down, and then you just, there it is. You'll just go and replace it. And then if you're going to do the whole job here, you just unscrew it. I'm gonna let the screws fly because we're in the salvage yard. And then there are two clips. Up on this side here that you kind of pull that out. So it'll drop down, and then there's just one 3-plug electrical connector here that you just disconnect. So there it is. The assembly went flying here. So yeah, so that is the assembly. The installation is reverse of removal. I'll pull the part numbers both for the light bulbs as well as the dome light itself, and in case you need them, and put links to eBay in the description. Hope that helps. We'll see you next time.